So hello, everybody. In the framework of the Interreg Northwest Europe Blockstart project, I'm glad to present a training that my company offers to SME interested by blockchain technology. In a very few words, I present Kapalt. Kapalt is a consulting and service company fully dedicated to blockchain technology, which exists for 3 years now, and which is working with companies of different size to train the people, to assess the project, to identify opportunity, and to launch initiative around blockchain. So we are working on the key area of the blockchain application, which are traceability for supply chain, identity, all the topics about cybersecurity and privacy of data when you exchange data and information between different parties. And so I can introduce now the module, which is a module dedicated to the identification of the initiative of the project, which can be linked to the blockchain technology, and which must be absolutely defined in your business context and in your ecosystem. So the assumption here is that you know the concept, the basic concept of blockchain technology, and we are working with you. It's a ideation workshop. The duration is 1.5 days, and we are working with you with a business line. We are working here mostly with the business people to identify with them where it makes sense to use blockchain technology to solve business problem or to use this technology to enhance opportunity linked to that. The goal is not to say, hey, I have a technology, the name is blockchain, where is the problem? The goal is to have a reverse vision and to say, I'm working with you, we have business issue, and does the technology of blockchain able to solve or to help to support new initiative? So at the beginning of the session, you have the basic concept, and at the end, we have identified with you 1, 2, maybe 3, let's say it's between 1 and 3 initiative will make sense in your environment, in your business, and in your ecosystem. So we are dealing with these 3 different dimensions. So I'm very happy to be able to work with you on these topics and waiting for helping you to identify the blockchain opportunities. Thank you.